Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create polls on TikTok videos. So if you want to have engagement with your audience, you can use this feature on TikTok where you can ask a question to your audience and ask them to answer between two answers. So you can just click on the plus icon here. You can upload a video, or you can just take a picture or take a video directly here. I'm going to just take a picture, for example, and then you can just click on the sticker icon at the right panel, and there will be this poll option. So just ask a question to your audience. For example, is this okay? For example, you can just add answer in here. You can click on done, and after that, when you upload it, your audience or your followers will try to answer between these two options. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.